Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking for the best FM transmitter for cars in this video? I will show you the top 5 best FM transmitters for cars to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 in our list is Tranmiter Car Bluetooth 5.0 FM Transmitter. Specifications. Brand name, Tranmiter. Material type, ABS. Item weight, 60 grams. Model name, E7078. Out power, 5 volts, 4.8A. Special features, FM transmitters. Voltage, 12 volts. Number 4 is Jabor FM Transmitter. Specifications. Brand name, Jabor. Material type, ABS. Item weight, 60 grams. Model name, BC83. Special features, Bluetooth Handsfree. Voltage, 12 volts. FM frequency, 87.5 to 108 MHz. As the item number 3, we've selected 1.8-inch color display Bluetooth FM transmitter. Specifications. Brand name, Yasocro. Material type, ABS. Item weight, 130 grams. Item size, 75 mmx 90 mmx 101 Model name, YST43. Special features, dual USB car charger. Certification, CE Row HS. Number 2 is Basis FM Transmitter. Specifications. Brand name, Basis. Material type, plastic and ABS. Item weight, 50 grams. Out power, DV1224,3.4A. Voltage, 24 volts. Certification, CE. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Lensent Bluetooth 5.3 FM Transmitter. Specifications. Brand name, Lensent. Material type, ABS. Bluetooth version, V5.3. Model name, BC76. Out power, 20 watts. Voltage, 12 volts. Item weight, 105 grams. Certification, CE, FCC, Row HS.